Surrounded by greenery, peace and quiet, this newly built house offers a spacious garden with a seating area. Free Wi-Fi access is available throughout. Each room here will provide you with a TV, a seating area and satellite channels. Featuring a shower, private bathroom also comes with a hairdryer and 3 toiletries. You can enjoy garden view from the room. Extras include a desk and bed linen. Guest House Plitvice Waterfall also features barbecue facilities and a terrace. Free parking is provided for all guests. Guest House Plitvice Waterfall policies and conditions. Cancellation policy, 7 days before arrival. Check-in from 14 o'clock to 21:00, check-out from 7 o'clock to 11:00, payment upon arrival by cash. Taxes included. Breakfast not included. The maximum period of stay is of 14 days.